Upgrading your stairs with Oak Valley signature stair treads and landings adds not only a look you'll love to your home, they're also simple to install in just a few minutes. No nails, no carpet tape, no mess. When your Oak Valley treads arrive, simply open the box to find everything you need for a quick and easy install. Each quality tread comes with our signature bullnose front and proprietary non-skid backing. Beginning at the bottom stair, start by removing the plastic from the adhesive backing. Next, align the tread in the center of the stair. Beginning with the bullnose, place the tread from the front to the back of the stair. Once the alignment looks correct, simply press on the tread to secure it in place. Don't worry if the alignment is off. Just lift the tread and make any necessary adjustments until you're happy with the placement. Now, repeat these steps as you make your way up the staircase, checking for proper alignment along the way. Applying the bullnose landing is no different. Follow the same steps. Centering the landing carpet just as you would a stair tread. If your landing carpet doesn't have a bullnose, simply center the carpet on the landing to your personal preference. It's just that easy. So what are you waiting for? Step up the design in your home with Oak Valley signature stair treads.